on the broadcast in the aftermath of the Red Fort blast. Home Minister Amit Shah is going to hold a key meeting anytime now. In fact, we're being told that the meeting is going to begin. IB Chief and Home Secretary are going to attend the meeting. So senior officials are going to be present in the meeting along with Home Minister Amit Shah, who has been continuously taking stock of the situation, speaking to the agencies on ground, every single development related to the investigation and the probe. Let's go across to Pragya, who's joining us in the broadcast with more details. Pragya, a key meeting which is to begin any time now. We're being told senior officials to be present.
Absolutely, Swati, and in fact, Home Minister is already in his residence. Home Secretary Govind Mohan has also reached. So did DG IB Tapan Deka. DGP of Jammu and Kashmir Nalin Prabhat is going to join the meeting virtually. We are also given to understand that DG NIA Sadanand Date has also reached. In fact, the visuals we had shown you and the people and the viewers, all officers were there in the visual. They have reached Home Minister Amit Shah's residence, and meeting we are given to understand is likely to begin in at least in a minute or so. So they're already there, and remember what Mr. Amit Shah has said yesterday. He has acknowledged the fact that there is an angle, and every angle is being probed in. And in fact, this is a high-level security meeting that he is going to take today morning. And in fact, as he said, this meeting has just started, is what our sources have told us just now. The meeting has begun at Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah's residence. All the angles are being probed in detail, is what we are given to understand, and in fact no whatsoever angle has been left out or ruled out. So a deep dive investigation, all the evidence that they had gathered, the first information, that preliminary inquiry that they did, and in fact all the forensic report, how they are, whether this is a terror attack or not, whether this can be seen as a terror attack or not, all that will be discussed in this meeting. And Union Minister Amit Shah also said that the inquiry and investigation will be done very soon. It will not take much time. And in fact, all these officers are here with their detailed investigation, preliminary investigation, and they also know they are expert in their own way. They had seen many bomb blasts in the past as well. They had dealt with such elements in the past, and they know whether this is some kind of modus operandi used by some kind of terrorist group, or that this can only be seen as just blast, as initial reports were coming. But this certainly looks like that there is more to it that meets the eye, and this is why this high-level security meeting is going on at Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah's residence right now.
Section 16 and 18 of the UAPA have been invoked, Pragya. The angle of terror is also being probed. Like you said, all angles at the moment the investigators are looking at, probing. They are also, of course, going to apprise the Home Minister of the latest that is happening. 3 suspects have been picked up from Pulwama in Jammu Kashmir, is what we are given to understand. So there is now going to be, looks like, a pan-India operation.
Absolutely, Swati, and we had seen, the kind of terror module that was busted in the morning yesterday. It was a huge success that our investigation agencies, the kind of operation it did. Imagine the loss of lives that could have happened had that not been intercepted. And in fact, this is not just one state police. In fact, Jammu and Kashmir police, Gujarat ATS for that matter, and Delhi and Haryana police, all were involved in that. And this is how they busted this particularly terror ISIS operation. This was a huge achievement, and it looks like there is a greater plan and a big plan of these terrorists. In fact, the police